गोयच्यान चडांत चड अग्निवीरांची नोंदणी जावची म्हण गोयच्या नौदळ फाट्याचो यत्न आसतलो अशें गोयचे फ्लॅग ऑफिसर रियर ॲडमिरल विक्रम मेनन हांच्यांनी सांगलां. RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Agnipath scheme was rolled out yesterday. It's a transformational scheme, like I said, primarily to harness the youth of the country. It is to give the youth opportunity to experience life in the service, that is in the Army, Navy, Air Force. For the young men and women of this country, you all are aware that the percentage of youth in our country is large. It's an extremely strong base which can be used for nation building. And I think the Agnipath scheme is something that can drive the concept of nation building to very, very large levels. It's a scheme where essentially the youth will spend 4 years in the service, during which they will be exposed to technology, the ethos of the services. They will imbibe discipline, an understanding of regulation, and with that I think they will be very well equipped for those of them who want to go back into society, to take the strengths that they have learnt in the services to society. At Goa Naval Area for the state of Goa, we will talk to institutions, etc. So that the youth understand what the scheme is. There will be questions they will have. So we must make sure that they understand what are the opportunities that this scheme gives. The question which came to me during the press conference is, what is the benchmark or goal of number of students we would like to get into the service in the first year? I think we must try to get maximum. I mean, we will not talk numbers, but we must look at giving maximum children the exposure so that they are able to have an opportunity. Youth of Goa are very well poised. Goa is a state which has got some very strong where in terms youth are exposed to sports, physical fitness, and I think that is something which they will bring into. They will probably set the standards tomorrow. They will raise the standards.